Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe Palak rice. Take one medium sized bowl of cooked rice. Items required for this recipe: spinach, chana dal, oil, salt, green chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mustard and cumin seeds, cashews. Keep the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard and cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Add green chilies. Cashews. And add half spoon of turmeric powder. Saute for 1 minute. Add 1 small cup of spinach and fry for 2 minutes. Add half tablespoon of salt and saute for 2 minutes. And make sure water should be evaporated from spinach. Add half tablespoon coriander powder. Add 1 cup of rice and mix it well. And close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. It's ready to serve. Healthy and tasty palak rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen.